Okay, so this is a CRI problem, and you're gonna need this formula: weight times dose times time, and this here in parentheses is how you get time, which is total fluid over divided by the fluid rate, and then after you find the time, you multiply it times the weight and dose, and then you divide it by concentration. So the most important thing is knowing what is weight and what is the dose and what is the time, and so first you in this problem it gives you the weight in pounds, so you will have to convert it into kg, kilograms. And this, your dose is gonna come like this: mg slash kg slash day, or it can come in pounds, so like mg slash pound slash day. So what you're gonna do after converting your pounds, so I'm gonna do that right now. I have 11 divided by 2.2. Remember that if you want to go to oh my gosh, choking my saliva. If you want to go to kg, you always have to divide, okay, by 2.2. So I got 5. So 5 kg. Now here it says weight times dose. So remember, this is how your dose is gonna look. I don't know if you can see that. This is how your dose is gonna look. So then times 2, which is your 2. And after you're done that, so it's times 2, it's gonna be 10, obviously. You got 10. Now, you wanna get it in hours. Now this says days, so you're gonna have to divide by 24. Okay? So 10 divided by 24 equals that big number. What I usually do is I usually leave it like this to get the right amount. So I'm gonna round it off in the paper. I got 2. It could be considered. Okay, whatever. And then I want to label this at MG, I think. Don't quote me on this. But then, to get the time, you have to find one that says ml bag, and then you have to find another one that has ml slash hour. So this here, right here, fluid rate is this 20 mLh, mLhr, okay? And then this is gonna be your bag. Now, let me see if I can find one. Some questions come where it says, instead of saying this, it says 1 liter. So it's gonna say 1 liter. And that 1 liter, I don't know how to spell. That 1 liter is equal to 1,000. Okay. So now that we know what our total fluid is and our fluid rate is, we're going to divide that. So I got 500 divided by 20. Now, this is to get your time. So you're going to have hour. So then that is 500 divided by 20. That is 25. You're going to come back here with this, and you're going to multiply it times 25. Okay? So, times... remember how I said that I usually keep the numbers? So, if I was in a real test, I would just go back and do all this process just to get the right amount and then multiply it times 25. But for the sake of the time, that I don't want to make this video too long. Oh, crap. I'm just going to use the rounded number. Times 25. And I get 10.5. Okay. Now that I got that number, we're not done. The last step is dividing by concentration. Your concentration is going to look like this. 5 mg slash ml. Another clue is also sometimes it comes with the name of the medication. So this is the medication. So, and it also says the concentration of the metoclopramide is da 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 da. So either look for this or look for mg/m. I know it's a lot, but once you know what you're looking for, it's easy to use the formula. So we got 10, we divide by 5. So divide by 5. I got 2.1. And I'm pretty sure I have my old paper. So I got here. So then this would be mils. So this would be your answer. But as you can see here, this is the same problem. But since I rounded it, oh my gosh, to the 10th place. So as I said, as you can see, as I rounded it to the 10th place, it's gonna give me a different answer, but it's the same. It's just literally 0.1 different. Depending on what you round, and she's obviously gonna ask you what she wants, so don't worry about that. But after that, and that's how you do it.